first ride is going to be what, Willow?
Matterhorn.
Matterhorn. All right, there it is. She's ready for it. You really going to do it? Oh, yeah. First ride of the day is going to be the Matterhorn. We're hoping to avoid major lines by running to this. Let's bring a little bit of the magic home from the parks. Let's make a jolly holiday bakery and cafe Matterhorn Macaroon from scratch. To get started, you're going to need a big mixing bowl, a couple spoons, maybe a rubber spatula, some powdered sugar to make your snow cap, because we're going to make a little bit of icing from scratch. You're going to need 2 bags of coconut flakes. I'm going to be grinding these down in this little Cuisinart just to kind of have it a more authentic macaroon like the one at the parks. You're also going to need sweetened condensed milk. Parchment paper is absolutely essential. And then you're going to need a little bit of flour. I'll have the recipe posted below so you can follow along. It's super simple. So you just want to stir it up until it's all sticky and it's divine. Have a little taste at this point. It's divine flavor. So now I'm going to take my ice cream scoop and I'm just going to take one little scoopful, just like that, and put it on my parchment paper. So I stacked them up and kind of smushed them and kind of made them into little mountains. Time to pop them in the oven. In they go. So get them on the cooling rack as soon as you can, as soon as they come out of the oven. This icing isn't quite giving me the snow cap that I really desired for them, but it's definitely going to make them absolutely delicious. So we'll just let that dry on there and put a little snow on the top. But they're definitely fun Matterhorn macaroons. Willow's putting the snow on, which is exactly what it needed. That's what it needed, definitely. Thank you. I can count on you to give me a good critique and then to make it even better.
To make it sweeter.
Yeah.
Which isn't the best. Now it looks more like a Matterhorn.
It totally does. It needs like a lot of it, huh? That was what we needed, you guys. We just needed Willow to come up with it. So now we have real snow caps on our beautiful Matterhorn mountain. Look at that. That's exactly what we needed. And there we have it, a Matterhorn macaroon.
I can't eat it yet, so I have to lick it.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you would like to follow along in your fairy tale life and live magically with us.